today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at these two under the tools in Pixellab. So to get started, we have these emojis, stickers. Can add stickers to our designs, emojis in Pixellab. So this tool is to import file from our phone. But we are not going to use this. This is the draw tool. Can draw circle and all the stuff. We can add can insert a shape and insert a circle, a shape of any kind that is around this place. We can reduce the opacity, we can increase the opacity, we can change the color. Anything is like we can add stroke to it. Move the stroke. You can make it blur. You can blur the stroke by something like this. This I don't really use this, but it is useful at times. But I don't really use this. For the arrow, we can insert an arrow. Like you want to put an arrow in some design, you can insert an arrow. You can change the color. See something else. You can change the color to something else. So that's it for this. That's it for this too. So let's go to this other tool. This is the background. Let's delete this first. And delete. So we're working on this to the background. You can change the background color to different color. You can change the background color to anything you want. I'll leave it as transparent. Mostly use it for PNG file. So you can change the size. You can change the size. You can change the size to anything you want. You can change the size. You can also do this. Or we can insert a background can import a background from our gallery to this place. So we can import a background from our gallery to this place. Let's use this. We can anything you want to do. That's it. Today's class.